SoCal Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike, we're going to return back to Van Nuys due to weather.
Juliet Mike, Roger, reverse course is approved. Burbank altimeter 2987, advise information Sierra.
Van Nuys Airport ATC information Romeo 1751 Zulu. Wind 130 at 6. Visibility 10. 2,100 scattered. Temperature 2.9er. Altimeter 2984. ILS Zulu runway 16 right approach in use. Landing and departing runway 16 left and right. Taxiway Alpha closed between Kilo and Mike. Taxiway Kilo closed between runway 16 right and Alpha. Taxiway Mike closed. Runway 16 right Melser out of service. Runway 16 right visual approach slope indicator out of service. Hazardous weather information for California or coastal water. Available on flight service frequency. Read back runway assignments and hold short instructions. Advise on initial contact. You have information, Victor.
Well, today's plan to Hemet got scrubbed, so we're heading to Brackett Field for lunch. And I think you're going to get some of your puffy cloud sightings.
No, I hope so.
As we go into a shadow.
16 right at Papa.
16 right at Papa and hold short for Cirrus 521 Tango Sierra.
Sugar magnolia, blossoms blooming, it's all empty and I don't care. So my baby down by the river, who should have to come up soon for air. Sweet blossom, come on, under the willow, we can have high times if you look back. We can discover the wonders of nature, rolling in the rushes down by the riverside. She's got everything delightful. She's got everything I need. Takes the wheel when I'm seeing double. Pays my ticket when I speed. She comes skimming through rays of violet. She can wait in a drop of dew. She don't come and I don't follow. Waits.
I don't know. This is really...
You want to just turn around?
I think so.
Juliet Mike, squawk 0235.
Was that for 0 Juliet Mike?
Juliet Mike, squawk 0235, ident.
0235 and ident 0 Juliet Mike. I don't know.
Juliet Mike, radar contact 3 southeast of Burbank Airport at 2,800. Say requested altitude.
I think we're going to hold here for the clouds if that works for you, 0 Juliet Mike.
Fine, 0 Juliet Mike. Juliet Mike, just to be advised, earlier I had a couple aircraft going to Riverside and they weren't able to make it in VFR due to the scattered layers out there.
Wow.
Okay, we'll keep our eyes open for that. Thank you for the note, 0 Juliet Mike. I knew going to Brackett,
November 4, Juliet Delta.
like before, we can kind of sneak under and along.
Yeah.
But
040 Juliet Delta.
Trying to go as far as Hemet, and that they had an overcast
Mirror 6 Tango Golf and then Delta
layer threat,
6,000 for traffic.
and the winds were going to pick up. I was just like, that's not going to be a
Golf left turn heading 330.
not going to be a fun ride, not necessary.
Okay, left turn 330, vectors climb AT6 Tango Golf.
Makes sense. Whoa.
Yeah, I'm not feeling it.
Yeah, I think you should turn around.
We're going to turn around.
A little scary today.
Yeah, just not jiving.
Yep.
SoCal Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike, we're going to return back to Van Nuys due to weather.
Juliet Mike, Roger, reverse course is approved. Burbank altimeter 2987, advise information Sierra.
All right, well advised on Sierra 0 Juliet Mike, thank you.